But just to pause there, Canada. If you look at the task teams that you are referring to, if you look at page 177, because the criticism is at paragraph 6.4.5.1 on page 177. This seems to be the criticism. The task teams that are not monitored run rampant for years without determining or accounting for the gap left where the members were taken from, mostly at station level. The task teams found operating in provinces are as follows. You can look there: foreign vehicle task team, multi-trip task teams functioning in various provinces, essential infrastructure task teams, kidnapping and ransom task teams, extortion teams, counterintelligence task team, anti-gang task team, cash in transit and ATM bombing task team, political murders team, multidisciplinary task team, knockout team, concentrating on illicit mine, narcotics task team, provincial tracing task team, illegal mining task team. Where does it mention the political killings task team other than you see a reference there to political murders team?
Political murders team is the same as political killing task team.
Is that what you
Yes,
saying?
it's the same team. Now,
This is a 2019 report. There's two work study. No, this is a work study. There's two work studies you referred. SB 13 is June 9, 2019, from page 120 to 166. We are now dealing with a work study of 14 June 2019, which in brackets it says it was approved on the 5th of June 2025. That's at 167 to 202. So this 177 is the work study dated 2019-24, but approved on the 5th of June 25.
it's the same document that talks about the task teams that are existing. And this task team must come to an end, basically. And this is approved. Now, listen to my comment, honorable members and chair, because this document, it comes back a long way. And this is why sometimes, depending on how effective you are, these documents, you do a lot of work study and you waste a lot of money in conducting work study investigations, but not implemented. Now, when you go to page 200, this is my comment before the signature. I say it is deeply concerning.
Yeah, let's go to page 200 and see what you say. You say this on the 16th of September 2024.
Yes.
And just remind me, was Minister Nkunu, was he appointed already in 24?
Yes, yes.
He was July 24.
Yes.
Okay.
So now I say it is deeply concerning that a study of this nature was undertaken and approved by the National Commissioner since 2016, date, but not implemented by the respective provinces. What is also of concern is that despite numerous work study approvals by different national commissioners, little to no effort was made by provinces to resource and implement the resources, and implement the approved recommendations. This has significantly contributed to the poor performance of the detectives. In the recent crime stats release, it was evident that commercial crime investigation was neglected, considering the fact that the study proves a 17% implementation. Little else can be expected to a greater extent. There is 46 units not implemented, whereas 42 were only partially implemented. In other words, the detectives are operating under a complete deficit. There is an overall 57% shortage of capacity. Now, this is me trying to say it's a cause for concern that this study was undertaken but not implemented because it addresses the challenges within the detectives.